What's good, Redneck Rodding? Today we are going to be testing a $50 welding helmet from 2024 versus a $50 welding helmet from 1970. You guys can see the difference. Now, I know this is from Harbor Freight. I bought it a couple months ago, new, and it says Jackson on this. I don't know what year that is, but I don't know what company that is, sorry. But yeah, test it. Now this is a fixed shade, while this is an auto dark helmet. As you can see, lens doesn't flip, there's nowhere to flip it. So I'm thinking we're gonna try this one first, and then we're gonna run that one. We're gonna see if we can even see through this while we're welding, or if you might as well not buy used and go buy a new one. I guess let's get started. Alright, so don't forget to wear PPE, long sleeves. We're using a chair. I guess we actually I don't know. Yeah. So they're using a pretty old one. 1970 is not the oldest, for sure, but sorry. Definitely not the newest. So, different things, different world. Kind of freaks me out because I can see out. Or like that. Like I'm looking outside, I can see through it. But I can see it. That honestly really wasn't that bad. I could see super clear from here, even though it's pretty old. I don't know if it being super clear is a good thing. It's not this thing is tightness. This is my life. And I guess you're gonna lay the full bead and see what happens. So I guess we're gonna lay a full bead and see what happens then. Alright, so judging the welds, obviously not the best. I am using flux core right now, but I rated it an 8 out of 10. That was super like clear and like crisp. Like I really wasn't expecting that. I mean, welds aren't the best. That's with the slag still on it. I don't really chip it off. I usually just let it fall off. But that's honestly really not that bad. I'm enjoying what that did. And I guess let's lay down another piece of metal, get it magnetized-ish into place, and then we'll use the auto darkening helmet from Harbor Freight. All right, we got it mostly magnetized down. Now we do. I guess we're just gonna flip to the old Harbor Freight welding helmet, and I'm hoping I don't go blind. I have been using this for, a pretty good while now. So I guess we're gonna throw it on 10, and we'll do 11. It was on 13. And I guess we'll see what it's gonna do then. See this one? Way easier to fix. The other one was giving me some trouble. I don't really like that. Dang, it's a lot of wire. Okay, I'll throw on the gloves, and see you guys then. And as you guys are about to see, I didn't do the best with welds this time, because this thing is just so dark. Like, like, I just can't really see too good with it. So the welds weren't actually as crisp. Like the last ones were like nice, neat, crisp with the fixed shade, but this one, these welds weren't too good. And I don't think it's machine's fault. I did not change the settings. It's on E7. This is titanium welder, which means it's on heat setting E. And it goes A, B, C, D, E. And then the wire speed goes from 1 to 10, and it's on 7. I found that's a pretty good way for me. But, I'm going to give this one a... I'm gonna give that one an 8. I'm gonna give this one a 6, just because I don't really know how to adjust. It didn't give me any instructions on how to adjust it. But I think in the future I'll still stick with auto darkening. But I think for $50, a fixed shade would be better. And I think if you're gonna spend more, go ahead and get a better auto darkening one. Harbor Freight sells a Vulcan series, which is $150. For a nice auto darkening helmet. But my review is the loser. And my gloves out the way. This one won. It's way clearer and crisper than this will ever be. Thank you guys for your time. If you watched all the way through, have a great day, and see you soon.